Morning children. Today we are going to that example 6. The angles of the depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building. So depression means you have to see from the top to bottom. Okay. And then from that top of multi-storied building are 30 degree and the 40 degree. So this PC is that multi-storied building from the top of the multi-storied building. Okay, so this is a tall building, and this is AB is that tall building, and PC is a multi-storied building. From that multi-storied building, you have to see the top of the tall building and then bottom of the tall building. Okay, so from the top of the tall building means this angle it will be comes as a 30 degree. Bottom of that means your angle will be till elevated like this way, so it will be goes to that down 45 degree. Okay, so PC is the multi-storied building heights, and AB is that tall building, and AC is the distance between PQ and then AC is a parallel line. You have to draw this one because your eyes will be see there itself. Your head height is that PQ, like this way straight. Your height is that, and then you have to see there itself from down to top of the tall building and bottom of the tall building. So this two angle is the parallel line. So if you are seeing this angle 30 degree means this two parallel means alternate interior angle, this angle and this angle are equal. Same thing like this way, and this angle and this angle are equal. That's why only you have to write here. Okay, given these two angles give. And then next PPD. In triangle PPD you have to take this two triangle and then another triangle PAC like this. So in triangle PPD this is a tan 30 degree. So tan 30 means what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means a PD is there itself, and then BD value is that root 3 there itself. So BD equal to PD root 3 you wrote, because they didn't give any heights and then anything there itself. So BD equal to PD root 3 root. In triangle PAC, so you have to write there itself PC by AC, that is a 45 degree. So PC equal to AC. So how to write that PC? BD by plus DC, that only you wrote. And then already you noted there itself AC and BD are equal, and same like this AB and then DC are equal. The AB tall building height they are given 8 meter. So the same 8 meter only is a DC for that. So you have to substitute that. PD plus 8 equal to BD. Therefore BD plus 8 and BD root 3. Okay, there's already that PD there itself you are writing 1 by root 3 there itself come. So BD root 3, that means AC equal to BD they wrote na. That's why only you have to write there itself BD here, and instead of the BD you wrote BD root 3, and then bring it that BD one side. BD root 3 minus PD equal to 8. Then you have to take that PD as a common. Root 3 minus 1 equal to 8. Then 8 by root 3 minus 1. Then conjugate root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Then simplify yourself 4 into root 3 plus 1. Then you will be right 4 root 3 plus 4. This is the value of that PD. This value only. But you have to find that height of the multi-story. So this value plus this 8 meter you have to add. So you will be right PD plus DC 4 root 3 plus 4 plus 8. So 4 root 3 plus 12 will come. So if you want, you will be simplified 4 into root 3 plus 3. That also will take, or otherwise you have to take 1.732 into 3 equal to 4 into 4.732. So it will be right 18.928 meter. Okay. Then the next question. As observed from the top of the 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of the depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So here itself the two triangle is there, and then y means observed from the high lighthouse. This is that lighthouse 75 meter. From the sea level two ships are there. One ship is D and another ship is the C. You have to see from the top of the lighthouse to the two ships. So you will be say that itself this two ships 30 degree and 45 degree. Same thing only AX and BD is a parallel line. So alternate interior angle, these two angles are equal. Now you took that ABC. ABC you have to write and then find that a tan 45 degree. So tan 45 75 by BC. So BC equal to 75 meter that you wrote. Then triangle ABD. So tan 30 equal to same thing AB by BD. BD is nothing but that BC plus DC that you wrote. And then simplify, DC value will come 54.75. So the distance between the two ships is that 54.75 meter. Okay. Then the next question. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of the depression is the 30 degree. So one top of the tower is there. From that a man see the car, that is a 30 degree, that is a depression. Okay, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of the depression of the car is found to be the 60 degree. So after that 6 seconds, from same thing he will see from the top to the bottom the same car. It will be goes to in that angle of that 60 degree. So find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So how much time it will be taken from the D point to C, that only you have to find. So height of the tower you will be take as a h, and then same thing, this two line is a parallel, so alternate interior angle, this angle and this angle are equal, and same this angle and this angle are equal. Speed of the car you don't know, that for x meter per second, and distance means this CD is that a 6x meter, and time taken from the C to B, that is a t second. Time taken from that C to B means this one, that you don't know, that's why it will be taken as the t second. And then you will be take the triangle total ABC and then ABD. So ABD if you are taken means AB by DB. AB by DB means this one, tan theta, opposite by adjacent. So you'll be right h by 6, because height also you don't know, h by 6x plus tx equal to 1 by root 3. Then h equal to cross multiply, you took 6 plus t into x by root 3. Then you have to take 6 plus t into x by root 3 equal to tx into root 3. Then root 3 into root 3, 3 only, 3tx minus tx, then 2tx equal to 6, 2t equal to 6, t equal to 6 by 2, then t equal to 3. Then you are having that in triangle ABC, this one, and then tan 60 degree equal to h by tx. Then you will be right, h equal to ts, that is the second equation. So first one two equation you have to solve it, and then you will be get this t equal to 3. That is the time from the C to B is at 3 seconds. Thank you children.